Welcome, students. This is Dr. Daniel Lazarus. This is about your online class, Data 10, and this is how your Blackboard class is going to be looking like. This class is organized week-wise. So currently, there are 3 weeks that are available, and as weeks progress, you will be able to see each week. So if you take a look at each week, the particular week's coursework has been um, given to you on the announcements for each week. The tasks are given to you. This week's task is to make sure that all of you go introduce yourself to the class in the discussion section, which is here. When you click on the discussions, you will see a class introduction here, and just click and just introduce yourself, just talk about yourself. And then each week the tasks are being mentioned here. Now, with respect to buying the book, I know it may look out of stock. If you're able to buy it, you just have to wait until it is available on stock. But that does shouldn't stop you from registering on Simnet, because Simnet offers you a 14-day courtesy access for all students. So if you are a BCC ASAP student buying from the book online book BCC bookstore, you use this link. Whereas if you are buying directly from McGraw-Hill, you could use this link to purchase it. Okay, how to register is available in a video that is available here, but I would just give you a short description of that. So if you'd go click on, if you have to go to bronxcc.simnetonline.com. Once again, that is, let me just type it for you. It has to be Bronx CC, as in community college, dot simnetonline.com. Okay, that is the address that you need to type. No spaces, bronxcc.simnetonline.com, and then you hit enter. Make sure you are able to see Bronx Community College here. My username and password is saved here, but when you are registering, you have to click request courtesy access. Click on that, and then, do you attend Bronx Community College? Yes. Do you already have a Simnet online account? No. And then click next. And then click this to agree for all the terms and conditions, and then click next. And then you need to select your correct class, which is 913D Lazarus 2020, which is the online class. The section is 913D. So please be very careful to select the correct classroom and then click next. And then if you already have the book, you bought the code, you will have a code on a scratch off that is available to you on the book. Or you could just click on this to get courtesy access, click next, and then you enter your full information, your first name, your last name, your BCC email, and then your student ID with your EMP ID. Please be careful to enter the correct EMP ID here, and then you can choose a username for yourself. Sometimes if the username has already been taken, it tells you it's been taken, so please select another one. And you can create your own passwords. But the most important thing is just make sure that you write down your username and password somewhere, because it is very difficult, and they give you a very hard time from Simnet to change your password. So when you click all this, when you click next, it tells you finish. You just finish it, and then you go back to the bronxcc.simnetonline. After registration, you go back to this website, and then you log in with your username and password. So when you click on that, you are going to see your class. This is how your class might look like. Sorry, it's 917D core. So make sure your class number is available. This is not your class, but it should be data 10 913, your class, winter spring 2020. And then when you click on the library, you get access to all your books here. This is the theory book on which you will be tested. You have to do your reading, and the final exam is going to be based on this 13 chapters. In class, You will have multiple choice questions. You will have match the following, true or false, essay questions. And each chapter has several pages that you can go and read. And at the end of each chapter, there are multiple choice questions, samples that are available for you to read. And then you also have match questions, and you also have matching questions, and you also have open-ended essay questions here for each chapter. So it's a very helpful book that you could go and take a look at it. This is the theory book, which is called the Computer Essentials 2019. When you buy the book online, both on on McGraw-Hill or on the BCC bookstore, you are likely to get um, the physical copy of this book sent out to your address. The next book is, let's go to the bookshelf again. This is the book from which you will be doing all the exercises. So we are starting with Excel. Click on that and click this part here, the link section part, and click on Excel and chapter 1. This week, these two exercises, pause and practice 1-1 and pause and practice 1-2, are actually due this week. So if you have any questions how to do, it actually shows you how to do that. This is a very helpful online tool where you could go and learn, and you could, if you could ask it show, it's actually a video, it plays with the video, so you will be able to click and see. For example, say if you, so it actually shows you with audio how to do certain things. So you will be able to go and see each one of them here. So we are starting with Excel, and I want you to complete pause and practice Excel 1-1 and then 1-2 and post them on the drop boxes on week 1. See, there are two drop boxes on your Blackboard classes. Click on this. It is just like submitting an email attachment. You'll have to click and find your file on your computer and just save it here. That's the two assignments that are due this week. And then this book has Word, Excel, and Access that we will be looking at. We are starting with Excel, and then we will be doing Word, and then we will be doing Access. So this is how this course has been designed. So the two important tools that you need to do this course is mainly Blackboard and Simnet, which is here. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.